Intro cinematic music, futuristic visuals. In a world where machines can think, act, and learn, where robots walk beside us, and artificial intelligence evolves faster than any technology in human history, a single question shakes the foundation of the modern workforce. Will robots steal human jobs? Welcome to RoboTech World, where today we dive deep into the future of work. A future where the line between human capability and machine intelligence grows thinner every day. For decades, automation has replaced repetitive human tasks. Machines have assembled cars, packed goods, and sorted shipments. But in the 21st century, something changed. Robots stopped being simple tools. They became decision makers. They became problem solvers. They became learners. Artificial intelligence allowed robots to recognize objects, understand language, navigate environments, perform complex tasks better than humans. Industries around the world were transformed. But transformation always brings fear. And the greatest fear of all is losing the thing we depend on most, our jobs. Every technological revolution replaces some jobs. But this revolution is different. Robots aren't just replacing physical work, they're replacing mental work too. According to global reports, the jobs most at risk include assembly line workers, cashiers and retail staff, warehouse labor, data entry operators, drivers and delivery workers, customer support representatives, bank tellers, basic level accountants, security guards, call center agents. Thousands of companies are rapidly adopting robotic systems because robots don't get tired, robots don't take vacations, robots don't ask for salary raises, and robots work 24/7 without complaints. In many industries, replacing a human with a robot became financially irresistible. Just 10 years ago, robots were limited to simple program tasks. Today they can diagnose medical images, write codes, teach students, create art, make legal documents, drive cars, manage warehouses, operate restaurants, guard cities. We are no longer talking about science fiction. We are living inside the future. AI now performs intellectual tasks that only humans could do before. This raises an important question. If AI becomes smarter every year, what will be left for humans to do? But the future is not all dark. Humans have abilities that no robot, no matter how advanced, can fully master. Creativity, emotion, imagination, morality, intuition, empathy, deep human connection. These are the skills behind leadership, storytelling, design, strategy, philosophy, innovation. Robots may outperform humans at tasks, but they cannot replace humans in purpose. This means not all jobs are at risk. In fact, new jobs are being created faster than old ones disappear. Experts predict the rise of entirely new categories of jobs no generation before has ever seen: AI trainers, robot supervisors, drone traffic controllers, digital city managers, space tourism operators, smart home architects, cyber defense strategists, medical nanorobot technicians, virtual world designers, AI ethics professionals. These futuristic jobs require human intelligence combined with technological mastery. So instead of replacing humans, robots might become partners, tools that upgrade our abilities rather than eliminate them. Automation brings benefits and challenges. Job displacement requires planning. Income inequality may rise without training. AI collects and analyzes personal data. Accountability for AI decisions is crucial. Society must manage these risks responsibly. Humans and robots will work side by side. Robots handle routine tasks, AI guides complex operations. Humans focus on strategy, creativity, and empathy. The future of work is not humans versus robots, it's humans with robots. Technology is evolving fast. The question isn't whether robots will take jobs, it's how humans will adapt. Like this video, subscribe to RoboTech World, and hit the notification bell for more insights into AI, robotics, and the future of work. Thanks for watching.